So till now we have created this part. You can see the structure of landing page in the previous video. So let's move towards learning some new steps, right? So let's see what we were creating. We were creating this landing page and we have created a structured part. Now we will see how we can create this part. Like you can see the couple of images are there, right? And then we'll create this part, then we'll put image and that text, right? So let's see how we can create. So the thing is that these images are in the top div. You can say we have named that div as a top div when we were creating. So this is a top div and in which we will create this part, right? So let's go to the HTML part, HTML file you can say, and we are creating that image in the top div. So we will open the top div and we will write some code. We will name something like you can see this is some images. So we will name the div like you can say first one, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, something like that. So the approach will be something like you can see this is the one div, this is one image, you can say second image, third image, fourth image, but we can see, you can see here is the name of that particular models or girls, you can see. So how we can do that? There's many options, but we will do something professional ops. We will choose something professional way to create this part, because you can do individually like this one, this one, this one, this one, then you can put the name something like this, right? So we are going to create something creative, and let's see how we are how I'm approaching this stuff, right? So I will put the name. First one is first. Okay, this is the first div. Inside first div we will have something like you can say first image. First image means this is first div means, let me tell you, first means combination of these two like image and text is a first div, and inside that first div we will take that first image, that image div and this text. So see how I'm going to take. So we have taken the div first, name first. Now we will take first something like that, right? Now we will take something which is let's put h4. Okay, it will find no h5. We are going to take the name inside the h5 tag. So, and right now I'm going to put the name something like Karina Kapoor, right? So we have created the first part. First part means we have written the code, that part you can see, right? So we have to create eight. Those all images are similar, you can say. These all are looking similar, like the div height, width of div, and the gap between these divs are looking similar. So here we will use something which can help us to not to write a long code. We will do in a very short code. So see how we can do that. So we'll have to make write the code for each div separately, but in the CSS we will write the code any of one of them, and you can see the output something like that. So let's go how it's gonna be happening. So I'm going to copy this first div, right? Something like that. You can see page 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have created the 8 part, and we are going to change the name. So it's gonna be like SSUND, right? It is gonna be third. It's gonna be FURT fourth. It's gonna be FIFTH fifth, sixth, SAVMPS seventh, right? And the last one is something like that, eighth, right? So you can see we have created, and you can change the name. I'm just going to put the same name because I'm just trying to learn the concept. No need to change the name all the time. You can choose according to yourself like what name you want to put there. Yeah, right. So this is the name. You can put the different name like Karina, Katrina, Alia, whatever actress or actor you like. So this is it. Now the thing is that we have created that edit, but you can see the output. There is nothing. You can see something like that, right? So because we didn't put the height and width of the particular div, any div, for creating something like this. Yeah. So let's see how we are going to do. So as I said, like these all divs are looking same. So I'm going to put the same name to these divs, so that in one code we can create these all images in just writing a short code. So let's see how we can do that. So I'm going to put the ID something like, let me write. Yeah, I'm going to put the ID to the image part in which this part. I'm going to put the same name to this part, so that if we are writing the code for one, then you can get the same multiple images divs as output in output. So let's see. So for that I'm using class, right? Class something like, I'm putting the name same, and I will just copy that class, and will put not in the second, I will put the in image part. So like that you can see here. Oh, sorry, I will have to copy again, because see, yeah, Yeah, my typing is a little bit slower, not a little bit, very slower, so it takes a lot of time to write anything, but gradually it's gonna be, fix it, so not a big issue. So I have put the name same something, and when we are, when we will tag the name same, and when we will put any, properties and value like width and height, then it will create couple of divs similar, you can say similar. So let's see how. So we will write the code just below the top, because so that we could understand like what code we have used for, which part. So I'm writing the code in the top part, that's why I'm just writing the next code just below the top. So I will say the div which is inside the top, and the name is same, right? I'm putting the width something like 100%, height something like 60%, and width, not sorry, we have taken only background color we can put for a while rate. Yeah, so now we can see the output. Yeah, this is something like that, but you can't see the output. You know why? Because let me show you why. Because here we have named this class same. Okay, here everything's looking perfect. So yeah, you can see the things are coming just one after one, and we want these all steps into the horizontal line, something like that, right? So how we can do that? So first we need to put the display flex always puts the put the images, or not images, content just beside the one another, you can see, right? So display flex something like that, you can see. Yeah, right. Now justify content, we'll use justify content as I told you in the previous video. Like if you want to make a gap between horizontal gap, sorry, vertical gap, something like that, then we will use justify content. And if we are writing the justify content, you can see space between. Now yeah, you can see the good stuff, right? So we have created that, but almost, but we need to put the recorder radius for making this one circular. You can see that circular part. So let's move how we can do that. So we will go to the that same div, and you will put the border radius, and I'm going to put 50%. Let's see how it's look like. Looking good, right? Looking good. So we have created that part, right? Now I want to fix it something more. I want to put some more spaces and gaps, something like you can see. Uh, uh, mm, yeah, I want to put some gap, not gap, margin. I want to give margin from the top. You can see this div is just stick above the at the top. You can say in the top, at the top, and I want these divs just below that top part, little bit below, not that much. So let's see how we can do that. So we will put the margin top, and just 10 pixel. Let's see. Yeah, that's perfect. Now I want this text a little bit down to the we just want some gap between this text and this tape, right? So how we can do that? Simply we can do like what we have used, h5, I think. Yeah, h5. So we will tag h5 like, hey top, the tag which is inside the top div, just put the margin from top 10 pixel, enough for that maybe. Yeah, you can see. Now you can see we have created almost complete structure yesterday, and in a previous video we did do that part, but now you can see we have created that part too. Now just we need to put the images, right? Images in all. So let's move to put the images in these divs. So first I'm going to put the images in that part. Okay, so let's see how we can do that. uh yeah, here we go. Like we'll have to use the image tag in each first image, like this image, this, right? So the thing is that we will have to change the name of this tip. If you are not changing the name, still it is gonna work, so no problem. We can change the id names. We can put the different id name, because we have taken already the class, I mean the same name for putting the similar properties and values. So I think we don't need to change here the different name. We don't need to put the different name in the in these all divs, right? So we are just going to make a video. Sorry, not video, I'm going to so yeah, so we'll take image tag and something like, yeah, image, with the help of image div, and we are just going to copy. We will put in every div. You can see. Yeah, here we go. Now we need to go for the image. So how we can do that? We will go for the page site and search Unsplash. Unsplash is a website where you can get free images from there. So we are going to take images from there, right? So Unsplash, you can say girls image. I'm going to type girls images. You can get the lots of images of the beautiful girls. So hey, don't take it wrong. I'm just using the images for that. So for putting the image, you can copy that part. You can copy that. Hey, sorry, friend. Actually, my friend was knocking the door, so okay. So we will copy the image, copy image link, and we will go to the our CSS part, like sorry HTML code, and here we are going to put the link. Oh my god, such a long. So now you can see the output something like let me refresh it. Oh yeah, so you can see the image something like a bigger, right? Yeah, we'll fix it, no problem. So if you want to see how we can fix it, then let me show you. Okay, so we will say let me write the code first. The image which is inside the same div, the image which is inside the same div, we'll take the width. Oh sorry, I think 100%, height 100%. Now let's see what is gonna happen. So you can see the images are there, right? Now let me copy the image in each div. So this image we are going to copy here as well. Control V, Control V, Control V, Control V. Oh my god, my typing is a little bit more slower. I need to enhance my typing skill. I know, and we'll do it very soon. So yeah, now you can see the output. We have image in each. You can use the different image, but I'm not going to use, because if I'm using, then it will video will become very longer, and I don't want to make that this video very longer, because no one want to see. So that's the reason I'm putting this. Now you will say, hey, this is not looking circular, right? So how we can do that? So there's two ways. Either you can put the border radius to the image, or either you can you know apply the what is the overflow hidden. Overflow hidden means, let me tell you. Overflow hidden means I'm saying to the that image div that if the image is out of the that div, then just hide it. Are you getting what I'm saying? Yeah, just hide it. So that's why we are getting the output something like that. Now we need to move on for putting this image, right? So let's go. So I'm going to put the same image because yeah, so let me go for the bottom part. Where is bottom? Where is bottom? Bottom. Here is bottom. So this is the bottom div, and inside the bottom div we'll have to go into the left side, right? So we will copy this image, something like that, and we will put this image into this div, right? You can see, yeah, we will have to manage it, no problem. And similarly, uh, we will do the. So let's take some new. Let's take some new images. Okay, this one is looking fine for me. So let's go. Okay, bro. So let's go into the bottom right, bottom top. We are going to take the image div, right? We will put that. Now you can see, but the thing is that we'll have to manage. So you will have to write inside the BTM, right top, something like this. Let me explain. Let me write the code. So here you can see. Okay, so the image which is inside the BTM right top, just put it to width 100%, height 100%, and you can see the output something like that. But this image is covering all those. So let me fix it also. Now Control C. Now we are going to put the BTM right, BTM top, right? So here we will put. Now we need to copy that name, because the name of this div is different, you can say. So here we go. What's happening? Let me fix it, bro. I'm going what's the let me check it out. This is something, and with height, right? BTM. Oh yeah, because we didn't use the, what should I say, like image div, and we'll have to put no. We have copied that part here in the bottom right top, bottom right top. So now we are going to take another picture, different picture, for looking at perfect, for the perfectness, you can say. Let's see. It is taking time. Yeah, good thing always takes time. So no problem. BTM right, BTM top, BTM top image. Now let me check. What is gonna happen. Oh, I think we have made some mistake. So let me check what mistake we have done. Actually, we have put it the width height to the different div, and we don't need to take the image tag inside this div. So that's the problem. Let me fix it. So this is where we here we want to go, and we need to put the width height of image to this div, and we had make uh, Control V, medium right top. I think now you can see the. Oh, sorry, bro. Now here we go. Still the problem are same. So let me check what is happening. Uh, this is BTM right drop. Okay, okay. BTM left. BTM left. Okay. Inside the bottom we have BTM left. We have put the image there, right? So uh, one more thing I want to check. Yeah, BTM left. We need to put the width height. BTM left. Yeah, you can see. Oh my god. So that was it. So I fixed it. Did you get what I'm saying? Yeah, actually, I need to use the BTM left because I put it that image tag inside the BTM left, and I was making a mistake in that. So I just fixed it, right? So you can see we have created this part. Now we need to move on for the putting the text in between two divs, right? So this the name of these divs are like you can see about BTM right, BTM top, something like that. We'll take the lorem. Lorem means not that much, just 15 line. Yeah, lorem is something. Sorry, I'm making lots of mistake today. I don't know. Lorem is something which VS Code provide us to take write a text, just random text, and similarly in this we are writing that lorem part into the. So now you can see here we go. Yeah, you can see the text. So we need to fix it something more, and we will go to the. We want to we'll put the some margin so that the text could be into the center of the div. So we'll copy this the name of this div so that we don't mistake, right? And here we are putting something like p, right? And we will put margin not from top, just put margin 10 pixel. Let's see, and want to put the colors white. And similarly in this one we'll have to change the name. Control C, Control V. But the thing is that we need to put the tag name. We have used the p tag, so we need to put the p name, p tag, right? We'll have to tag the p. Yeah, you can see the text is something like into the center. Okay, so we can enhance the margin something more, 10 to 15. Yeah, you can see something like that. So now we will say, hey, we are not able to see the that landing page looking like this. Yeah, you will see, no problem. You will see. Let me show you how we can see similar to that landing page. So we need to write something more, and that text is not looking perfect. So I will put font family, which I use this one for and because of this font, you can see this. See, yeah, you can see the text looking perfect now, right? So this is all about. Now you want to see the similar thing, right? So let me do it something more, something more, something more. We will remove the we will remove the background color of each div. So we are not removing, we are just commenting out so that we could not see. So middle part something like this, right? Bottom part something like this. We are going to remove the background color so that we could see the we could see our landing page similar to that landing page which we are creating. So how we can sorry, you can see. Now let's see how it looks like. Yeah, you can see, but why we lose that? Because we have put it the background color what we have put it. Let me show you. Yeah, because we have put the text color white, that's why it's invisible, you can say. So we need to put the color of this div is black, similar to before. We are not able to see the second because it's oh yeah, here we go. Here we need to change also. So I'm going to remove some part of text because it's looking enough. So you can see now. Yeah, you can see we have created that part, right? Now we have to create this part. So how we can create that? The bottom, sorry, middle part. So in middle it's very easy, you can see. Yeah, I know the video is going to be long, so because of my typing, you can see. And where is the middle part? Middle part, here we go. We'll take the div which is the top line, you can say. Top line. Yeah, we'll take second one is bottom line. So BTM line. I will show you why I'm taking this line. Okay, so just go there and write the code for that. Where is the middle part? Where is the middle part? Where is the middle div, bro? Bottom. Oh, sorry, here. So we have named like top line, right? We'll go there and we'll write width 100%. and height something like 2 pixel, no, not 2 pixel, 1 pixel. Okay, background color gray, I'm putting gray, right? So top line then similar to the bottom line. I will show you what I'm writing and typing. So this is, you know, gonna be bottom line. So let me show you what I was creating. I was creating that line, you can see the line, got it? So the thing is that we have got these two lines, you know, at the top, you know, you can say above one another, you can see, you can say. So how we can do that line in the bottom line, that bottom line to the bottom. So we'll have to make this you know, the position absolute. And if, as I told you, if you are, you know, making the any position absolute, then you'll have to write the position relative to the parent of that div, right? So position, because if you are not writing that, then it will take the height and width to the respect of the main div, right? If you are making the parent div relative, then that means we are, you know, taking that div with respect to that middle div, right? So now you can see, not you can see, because there's something we need to write. And here we go, we'll put the bottom to 0, so that the line will be something like that, you can see there, right? Now we need to write the ABCD part. ABCD part means something, let me open this one again. So I'm saying this one, like you can see, right? So ABCDFG, something like that. So I'm just writing the ABCD code in quickly, so that, and I will tell you how we have how I've done those part, right? So let me do it quickly. So we have created this part. I didn't show you because the video is gonna be very long, so that's why I made it. And I'm going to tell you like how I made it, so that you guys can understand. Okay. So firstly, in the middle we have took top line, bottom line, you know, top line, bottom line. Then we have took a text div. Let me show you what is text div. This all, you know, text is or alphabets is in between the inside the text div, and I have put the text div to the, you know, top left 50, so that that text div could be into the center, right? And inside that text div we have take the you know, h5 tag, where I have written, you know, all, and inside the h6 tag I have written the alphabets, you can see ABCD. Now you will see the H alphabet and QU, this, you know, letters have less opacity. So how I did that? So simply I have put that letters inside the span tag, and now you will say what is a span tag? A span tag is simply used for, you know, if you want to put some extra properties. For example, we have written all alphabet inside the H6 tag, right? And if you want to, you know, do some activity with the any individual letters, right, then we can use a span tag. So this is all about. So let me see something. Yeah, you guys will say, I have, you know, put the name wrong name, you can say wrong name. Wrong name means I have written the spelling incorrect. So let me fix it. I'm going to write the correct name, which is KARWNA. Now you can see. So I will have to, you know, make some changes. Looks good. For example, tops. For example, I'm going to make it something font size 15 pixels. Let's see. Oh my God, it's gonna be bigger. So let me do it 12 pixel. Now you can see looking perfect, but I want to put some less opacity, so that opacity means if you want to, you know, do any element less bright, then you can put opacity. So I'm going to take here 0. Not 5, 0.7. Yeah, you can see looking perfect. And then you can see the opacity of this, you know, text is looking cheaper, you can say. Here you can see, right? So we will do the same thing here. And how we can do that? So we'll do simply with in this div, we'll write something like opacity 0.5. You can see. So this is all about the landing page we have created, and hope you guys will understand what was the approach and what was the thing, what was the property I have used in this landing page. So till then, keep learning and keep exploring. Bye bye.